Welcome back to my channel. This is my DIY solar generator, and it's powered by two 12.8 volt 100 amp hour lithium batteries by LiTime. You can see they're pretty small. They only weigh about 18 pounds instead of having two lead acid batteries, which would be 60 pounds a piece. This whole box weighs less than 100. And you can see here, I was going to tell you, we had two of these in there and they're laying like this, so they don't take up much space. And you can hear the Jandel 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter doing its job. This is my extra stuff in here. I don't need the extension cord with the Jandel. I'll just turn it off and on right here. Now, if I decide to upgrade from 800 watts to 1600 watts or more, I'm gonna have to get a bigger Victron MPPT controller, because this one in 12 volts will do 400 watts of solar, and that's why I got it in series in 24 volt with the 24 volt Jandel pure sine wave inverter, is because on 24 volts I can have 800 watts of solar instead of 400. So let me put you back on the tripod here. It's a little cold out here, it's just above freezing. And I'll put that thing back up in the garage. Got a couple of those just in case. And you can see my cable running here. Pretty much what I'm doing with this is heating my greenhouse, because I like to keep some of my specialty, and it's a hobby greenhouse. It's not like the guys who greenhouse for a living. This is it's the hobby greenhouse for me. I'm gonna pop you off the tripod. Got a couple of not looking too good. That's not too bad. Papayas. This is one of the large mangoes here. That actually is a air layer off of that mango tree here, which almost died from the last freeze. I should cover it up here in a little while. We can see that the heater's going, and you should be able to hear it. I've got a couple of figs in here, so I get an early start. Some Persian limes, a couple of those in there, and a big papaya. But this just gives me a little head start on next year. That stuff's easy to grow. This gives me something to do, and plus I get to heat it for free now because I got a DIY solar generator. Keep all my stuff warm. I did take a squeegee and squeegee these off. You can see they look pretty clean. That's how I'm heating my greenhouse for no additional costs, because I've already paid for it up front with my solar. All right. Well, we'll see y'all on the next video, and get you a lithium battery. I love the fact they're so lightweight. I grew up with the 60-pound batteries, and every time I see these, I'm still just impressed. Later.